Justice may be harder to serve in a case involving a shooter, a paralyzed child, and now a dead witness.
Bianca Horton was found dead yesterday afternoon. Her name was on the prosecution's witness list in the murder trial of Cortez Sims. News Channel 9's James Torres joins us now in the studio with more. James.
Calvin, considering both Horton and her daughter Zoe were survivors of Cortez Sims' bullets, she may have been one of the prosecution's best chances of sending him to jail. But now, after police found her dead yesterday, their witness list has shrunk. But the district attorney's office says they have every intention to bring this family some justice.
Family and friends are wondering, will justice be brought to the little girl who was paralyzed by a shooter without the testimony of her mother? University of Tennessee Chattanooga law professor Karen McGuffey thinks it'll be tough.
They could have plenty of other evidence that, they could use possibly to prove the, crime beyond a reasonable doubt, but it certainly impacts in a negative way on the prosecution's end.
Police say it was here at College Hill Court Apartments where 17-year-old Cortez Sims opened fire, hurting 3 people and killing 1. Of the survivors, Bianca Horton and her now paralyzed daughter, Zoe Duncan. Yesterday morning, Horton's body was found 2 weeks before she was supposed to testify against Sims. Police believe gang activity is a possibility, but they are not ruling out other factors. In Sims' indictment, Horton was one of 3 witnesses listed, but possibly the most impactful.
Based on what I know of this case, her testimony was going to be very crucial to this, to the prosecution.
But the district attorney's office says they will continue the prosecution without any delays, all with the hopes of bringing to rest one piece of justice before the family rests the body of Bianca Horton.
After speaking to Horton's old neighbors at College Hill Courts, they say another concern was whether or not she was protected enough by Chattanooga police. Chief Fletcher says currently there is no witness protection program for local crimes. Neighbors tell me Horton was never vocal about feeling threatened. What she cared most about was trying to find a way to make her daughter walk again. Kim.
James, thank you. Sims' trial is expected to start June 9th.